Hello friends, we have one last topic in change in profit sharing ratio. We were discussing about revaluation of assets and liabilities, right? We were discussing about revaluation of assets and the liabilities. In that we have a concept that is very similar to the concept of accounting treatment of reserves. What if the partners decide that assets and liabilities to appear in the books at old values? That means they will be revaluing the assets and liabilities, but in the balance sheet they will show that they want to show the assets and liabilities at the old values and not at the new values. Similar concept to what we studied in the accounting treatment of reserves, and the solution is also very similar, absolutely similar, I will say. How? We have to follow those 4 steps again. Calculate net effect of assets and liabilities. Right? Calculate net effect on assets and liabilities. How that net effect? Increase in asset, right? Decrease in liability. These will be added. Because it is a gain, this will be a positive figure. If there is decrease in asset, we will subtract that. If there is increase in liability, we will subtract that, and we will find out the net effect. Clear? Second step. What was the second step? Calculate sacrifice or gain. Calculate sacrifice or gain. Right? Calculate sacrifice or gain. Third step. Calculate share in net effect. And the last step, journal entry. Next step is journal. Absolutely similar. If the net effect is positive, then the entry will be gaining partner to sacrificing. Right? If the net effect is negative, then reverse entry, sacrifice to gaining partner. Absolutely similar 4 steps that we have studied in the accounting treatment for reserves and accumulated losses. Let's do a practical problem on this. A, B and C are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They decided to share the future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3:5. They also decided to record the effect of the following revaluations without affecting the book value of assets and liabilities by passing a single adjustment entry. Land and building, the book figure was 5 lakh and the revised figure was 5,50,000. Plant and machinery, book figure was 2,50,000, revised figure is 2,40,000. Trade creditors 60,000, revised figure 55,000, fall in liability. Outstanding expenses, again a liability, 60,000 book figure, 75,000 revised figure. That means increase in liability. Clear? Let's start with the steps. Step number 1, calculation of net effect. Right, first of all we have land and building. First of all we have land and building. There is a fall or increase in the asset. The book figure was 5 lakh, revised figure is 5 lakh 50,000. So there is an increase of 50,000 in the asset, that is positive 50,000. Next, plant and machinery. Book figure was 2 lakh 50,000. Revised figure is 2 lakh 40,000. There is a fall in the asset. Plant and machinery. How much is the fall? 10,000. So 10,000 we will subtract. Next, trade creditors 60,000. Revised figure 55,000. Fall in the liability. This will be added back 5,000. Next, outstanding expenses. Book figure 60,000, revised figure 75,000. So this should be subtracted. Outstanding expenses, there is an increase in the liability which should be subtracted. Right? So this comes to 30,000. So the net effect comes to 30,000. Next, step 2. Calculate sacrifice or gain. How to calculate that? Old share minus new share. Let's see for the partners, what is the old profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2 and the new is 2:3:5. For A, old share is 5/10, new share is 2/10, sacrifice of 3/10. For B, old share 3/10, new share 3/10. 0. This is sacrifice. This is neither sacrifice nor gain. Nothing. For C, earlier share 2/10, now share 5/10. A gain of 3/10. So C is the gaining partner and who is the sacrificing partner? Only A. B is neither sacrificing nor gaining. Right? Step number 3. Calculation of share in net effect. How to calculate that? What is net effect? 30,000. What is the gain share? 3/10. Right? This comes to 9,000. Step number 4, journal entry. Now, the net effect is positive or negative? Net effect is positive. If it is positive, what will be the journal entry? Gaining partner to sacrificing partner. Who is the gaining partner here? C's. Capital account debit to sacrificing partner A with the amount of share in net effect. Clear? So this is the adjustment entry that we have passed, and after this all the assets and liabilities will appear in the balance sheet at old values. Write this down. All assets and liabilities, all assets and liabilities will appear in books at old values. Clear? So this is all about change in profit sharing ratio. We discussed the meaning of change in profit sharing ratio. Then we discussed the accounting treatment of goodwill, right? Then we discussed about the accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits and losses. Then the revaluation of assets and liabilities. With this, chapter number 3, that is change in profit sharing ratio, is complete. In the next lecture, we will start with the new chapter, that is admission of a new partner. Right? So this is all about change in profit sharing ratio. This concept where assets and liabilities are to appear in the books at the old values, this is very much similar to the the accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits and losses. All the 4 steps are absolutely similar. The only difference is there were reserves and here we have assets and liabilities, right?